So I am a wedding and family photographer. I'm also a mom of 3 boys. They are 3, 5, and 7. So very busy and a lot going on all the time. I've been living in San Francisco for almost 20 years. Just recently moved out of San Francisco to embark on a road trip with my family around the country for a year. We've owned it for 15 years. We had built some great equity, and so I felt that I knew that I wanted to put that back into real estate somehow, but I didn't want just one property in one city. Because we'll be going on the road this year, I just honestly don't have the time to really manage anything actively. I had looked into some investing in single family homes or different properties in that sense, and they just frankly are too much work. Before it was just work every day, whereas now I feel like that has definitely made a huge change for our lives. I've been able to start working a little bit less, which was really important to me. I think running a business in San Francisco for the last 15 years has been a very hectic, fast-paced, momentum, just go all the time. It's kind of taken a lot of the stress on me trying to say, where should I put this money? What should I be investing in? How can that align with my goals? It just felt like it was such an easy decision. So you guys have played a huge role in being able to do that.